ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯝꯂꯞꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ 5B ꯔꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯅꯤ ꯔꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ 29 ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ 2021ꯗ ꯋꯦꯟꯆꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯜ ꯈꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯈꯤ Launch vehicle asi China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology na design tauki adubu ikhang khangogdana hokhiba 9th May 2021 da Maldives ki nakanda tasalakre area asi Indian Ocean dani adubu ngasi phawba asok apan gi pawamata laikhide Long March 5B mission haiba mission asi China ki space station amagi ihan hanba main module Tianhe puba module mission amani Space Station asigi pulapna module taramathoi launch tawgadabani adubu laibak thiba thodok amadagi ihan hanba module asi mai pakhidre asigi mamangda Long March 5B rocket variant amasu May 2020 da thagatki adubu mai pakhidre mission adusu prithibi ki laimai da tasilakhiba jagana Ivory Coast West Africa dani Asok apan gi paw laikhide adubu building kharadi damage tawki ngasi degi matam kharagi mamangda Chinese ki Long March 5B rocket mission launch tawkhruba matung Chinese Communist Party ga link leinaba oibo economy degi Indian miyam bo nongarki
NASA was critical of China's lack of transparency over the rocket's re-entry, saying spacefaring nations had a duty to minimize the risks to people and property on Earth.